Good morning class. In today's class we will study about the simple polygon, page number 214. What is polygon? Polygon are the simple closed figures that consist of line segments. This is important, line segment join in turn so that each line segment intersect exactly two other line segments at their endpoints. This is the important point for the definition of polygon. So it is basically a simple closed figure consists of line segments. Okay, these are some examples of the polygon. These are only line segments, but these are not the polygons. Why? Because it is not a closed figure, it is an open figure, so this is not a polygon. Secondly, this line DE does not intersect lines AC and FG at their endpoints. What are the endpoints? Their endpoints are AC and the FG, but they intersect between them, so this figure is not a polygon. The same side AC intersect more than two sides at the vertex C, so this is not a polygon. This figure is not a polygon because it consists of a curve, and in the definition of the polygon it is important to have all the line segment, it not include curves, then vertices and the diagonals. Each line boundary, the polygon is called a side. This is a side. These are the vertices. Next, diagonal. What are the diagonals? Diagonals, a line joining the non-adjacent vertices of a polygon is called the diagonal. Example, AD is a diagonal in which these are non-adjacent vertices. So the line segment joining non-adjacent vertices is called the diagonals. Adjacent, the line which join the adjacent vertices is called the side. These are the vertices. A, B, C, D, E are the vertices on this polygon. Next, types of polygon, or there are two more types of polygon. Those are the convex and the concave polygon. First one is convex. Convex is the measure of each interior angle is less than 180, then such a polygon is called the convex. First example of convex, in which all the angles, each angle is less than 180. Second is concave or reentrant polygon. If a polygon has at least one interior angle with the measure greater than 180 is called the concave or reentrant. This polygon is a concave because one angle is greater than 180. Okay, similarly this is a concave because this angle is greater than 180. Types of polygon more: triangle, sides 3, figure, these are the figures. Quadrilateral, sides 4, pentagon, side 5, hexagon 6, heptagon 7 sides, octagon 8 sides, nonagon 9, decagon 10. Okay, next, regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon with all its sides and its angle are equal. This is equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Square is a regular polygon because all the sides and each angle, all the sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. This is regular pentagon. Regular hexagon. These are the irregular polygons because only two sides are equal, so this is not a regular polygon. Next, scalene, in which all three sides are unequal. Rectangle, only opposite sides are equal, so therefore it is not a regular polygon. This pentagon is not a regular polygon. So revise all these points, make sure that each definition, each term is in your mind. Okay, all the best. Thank you class.